KwaZulu-Natal government is working hard to reposition itself as a catalyst to Africa's economic growth and investing in strategies that will use our comparative advantages like the ports, the tourism attractions, access to oceans, and the resourceful of our fellow citizens to drive the economic growth. Working with Stat SA, the Office of the Premier is procuring services of the statistician to improve the role of research, data collection, and analysis of these data in our province. When we look at how we've moved, honourable members, on the floods, this month marks a year since the devastating floods that struck our province, causing immeasurable devastation in its wake. We feel the pain of families that have lost their loved one. Sithi kubantu bakithi abalahlekelwa zihlobo zabo sikanye nabo emthandazweni. Kodwa siyaqonda futhi ubuhlungu abahleli nabo ukuthi kuzokube manje bangakwazi ngisho ukuthola ithambo ngoba thina siyakholelwa ekutheni kumele ukuthi ithambo lakho ulifihle lapho owaziyo khona ukuthi ulibeke khona. Njengamanje iminyango ebambisene uHealth as well as umnyango wamaphoyisa bayasebenzisana ukuthi kube nohlelo lokuxhumana nemindeni mayelana nalolu daba. We present this budget vote knowing that no amount of money can heal that pain that our people are feeling. However, we want to report that our government has committed itself over 2,054 million to rebuild the infrastructure that was hit hard by the floods. The biggest commitments of these points that we see is the one that is being spent by the Department of Transport to rebuild road infrastructure network. And in this regard, we report that overall, over 400 million has been spent already, with the Department of Transport spending over 250 million in the next quarter.